What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing like a parade. We're just gonna participate in like one of those little birthday parades because, you know, with the COVID stuff, everybody's doing these little parades and everything for the birthdays, graduations, and all that. So today, that's what we're doing. The guy who's doing it, his name is Hector. He's doing it for his son, and we're just gonna check. There's supposed to be some other G8’s that I haven't met that's supposed to come also. So hopefully we got a good turnout with G8’s. I know Fence is coming. I'm meeting up with him and his brother right now. And hopefully there's a turbo G8 that's supposed to go too. So hopefully, you know, we meet up with some of these guys, and I can show y'all some of the other G8’s that y'all haven't seen that's in San Antonio.
Hi, Dallas. Someone's sleeping.
Oh, and we brought the kids with us. So we got my daughter in the back, and we got obviously Dallas. Fence is in the front of me. Y'all see Fence right here. His brother in the back. And then we are heading out to go to meet up with the rest of the people. Some more G8’s. I think we got other people too.
Roll down the window.
Huh?
Roll down the window. Your window is here.
It's a custom one. It's a custom. Yeah. It's just.
Go Ella, go Ella, go Ella, go Ella. Oh my God. Come on. Let me see you run like Sonic.
Get in your Sonic pose. He said no.
Not today.
Not today.
pull off real quick, okay?
Are y'all coming back around?
Where are they going?
I ain't even recording.
I don't know you. You recording?
Barely. This neighborhood, there's so much traffic. No, there's a police.
What's going on, everybody? So the parade, actually, it did pretty good. We had like a little good turnout. If you are in San Antonio and you have a G8, an SS, Caprice, whatever, hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is always like, I think in this corner somewhere, or maybe, I think it's this corner. But my Instagram, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Facebook, that's down below. And let me know, we are trying to put together a G8 meet, a G8 and SS meet in San Antonio. There's also the guy who Caleb, his dad is is the owner of the page, the G8 page. It's G8 and SS of San Antonio. So make sure you in that page. I think I'm gonna have to start being more active in that page. But like I said, I just have to start being more active on Facebook because I'm really not active at all. But make sure you hit me out, let me know. Make sure y'all go follow me or send me a friend request on Facebook or whatever. If you don't have Instagram, it doesn't matter. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. We gonna be trying to put together a meet together that we can get some of the G8s from San Antonio. And maybe one day we could do a meet like Houston. That was some inspiration right there when I went over there. So that's the goal. But we'll at least try to get more guys to come and meet up and just kind of just hang out, you know, with all the G8s and SSs and stuff like that. So hit me up, whenever we come up with a day and a time and a place, it'll be posted on in a group, and then I'll probably maybe announce it on YouTube or something if you watch me on YouTube and stuff. So, but y'all, I'm about to give y'all behind the scene of me powder coating and some of the cups and stuff like that. So, and what I'm gonna be having and all that. But I'm about to give y'all like another behind the scenes of the cups and stuff right quick. So we've been working on this Chemical Guys cup, y'all, and it's been almost a pain. If the camera focus, the Diablo wool gel. We're working on this one. We did another one for the detail garage out here, the owner. We did one for him, and then this is the second one that we doing. I think with these cups right here, I'm gonna have them. I'm still kind of going. I'm still like trying to figure out how I want to do stuff. Me and my sister, and I think for these, I'm gonna have them already made. So if you want a cup like this, you just have to pay attention, and I'll announce it on YouTube when we have some up there when they in stock. So I'll have it up on YouTube. I'll have it up on the website, just probably under detailing Tumblr, and that way I'll let y'all know. Y'all can go in there if you want a detailing Tumblr. I'll have pictures of which ones we have in stock and stuff like that, and it'll be up there. If you want a custom one, obviously you have to hit the option that says custom Tumblr, and then if you want a custom powder coated one, they have an option for that also. But I'm gonna give y'all a little behind the scenes of the powder coated ones that I'm about to do, because we gave away four tumblers to 4 different graduates. So right now, like today, this is the day after the parade, I'm working on doing those, and then it's just something simple with the school colors and ombre, and I'm just doing 2 colors. It's real simple. So I'm gonna give y'all behind the scene of that right quick. And Hey y'all can already see I already got these two done, green and black, and then the golden and black one is also done. It's just gonna require me a lot of cleanup. That's the only thing about powder coating, y'all, that when you powder coat, like especially dealing with like the custom type stuff and the cups and everything, because sometimes even if I use the same process over and over and over with hollow and got baked, sometimes the vinyl may not act right, the powder may not act right and stuff like that. So sometimes it's a pain when I'm doing the powder coated stuff, but I really do. I love powder coating, so it's really interesting how it all comes together. It starts as a powder like y'all see, and then it turns into a paint like y'all about to see also. So I'm about to go ahead and put this one in the oven, then I'm gonna take that one out, take the decals off, and then cook the other one. So a little bit of glue left over from the vinyl. That's pretty much it. And I'm gonna clean them up, get that done, and ship them out. So if y'all looking to get anything done, cups, we have our non-toxic tees. I got my non-toxic shirt on right now. If y'all looking to get one of those, they're 2 for $20 right now. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank y'all for watching. We hit 1,100 subscribers. Thank y'all for subscribing, and the channel is growing, and hopefully we'll finally get to 10K one day. So I'll see y'all in the next video, and that'll be it.